guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a try on all my clothes part 2. My wardrobe, pretty much all of my wardrobe, and I just took all of the stuff out and I'll insert the clip from a vlog. I've got so much in my wardrobe, it's ridiculous. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is where I start to realise I have an obsession with clothes. This is just in my wardrobe. And then there's jeans there. This is bad. But let's get trying on the clothes. This is one of my smart dresses that I wear like if I'm going to a smart event or an interview. So this is one of my all-time favourite night out dresses. I love it. I just recently got this dress. It's from Tesco's and it's so nice and the pattern is gorgeous. This dress is actually from a charity shop. I didn't think I would suit it, but I actually do. I love the little love hearts all around the dress. Now these jumpsuits, what you are seeing right now, are jumpsuits that I bought to go on a night out with. I'm pretty sure I've only worn that one, but I haven't even worn this one yet. But I love them so much and I'm going to keep them because they're so cute. This jumpsuit is so nice for a summer's day. It's so flowy and like baggy and just suits my figure weirdly because when I tie it up it shows my figure more and I just love it. I always wear it in summer. Now this is the red dress but in green. So I got it in green and it's from H&M. Now this is actually the Sug Life hoodie. It was just pale pink, but I tie-dyed it or bleached it, and I'm going to tie-dye it again, so that video will be coming out soon. Now I pretty much wear most of my cardies all the time. I love this one. This one is from Victoria's Secret. I think it was like £35, and then obviously we all know that I love this cardigan and it's so soft and so cute. And then I've just recently got this one and it's so comfy. I don't know if these are called cardigans, but these are just for when I go on a night out and I need something to layer on, so I just chuck this on whenever I wear a dress. Now this is another item from a charity shop and I'm in love with it. This is my only pair of denim jeans. I actually want to put like some badges on it, or like Disney badges and stuff like that. So I don't really wear this shirt at all. It's only for interviews or if I need to wear something smart. So these two shirts were actually in a recent video called How to Tie a Plain Shirt or Top. I'll link it in the description, but it also will be in the corner of the video at the end. So as you can see, I have a snake print shirt, button-up shirt, and I have loads of other patterns. I love my pattern-up shirt, and it's just a staple piece to me. These are all my trousers, of course. These two I don't really wear that often, but the rest I wear so much. These are more for summer, and these ones I wear all year round. They're good to smart up an outfit or like make it casual, but like still smart. I just love me a pair of smart jeans. These are all my biker jackets. I've got black, red and green, and I really want to get some more. There's actually like a white cream one I've seen, so I'll be getting that sometime soon. Now I actually got this jacket from TK Maxx, so I don't know if Fila actually does it, but that's where I got it from and it was really cheap. I don't really wear this denim jacket, but a denim jacket is a staple piece, so that is why I don't chuck it out. So like the smart trousers, I really fancied a blazer, but in my style, so I found this pink blazer. Now these are all my long jackets that are probably too long on me. I don't think they are, but I don't know what average height for long jackets are, but I'm probably too short for them, but I still wear them, and yeah. This is one of my favourite winter jackets. I just love the colour, the way that the black and red go together. So with every other clothing items I've also got an obsession with fluffy jackets. That could be long jackets, short jackets, they just have to be fluffy. And that is why I love the winter, because I can wear all my fluffy jackets. I've also got jackets with fluff on the collar and just, yeah. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not already, hit the subscribe button, because I am growing right now so much lately, slowly but faster than I normally do. So I need your guys' help to hit 400 subscribers now. So if you're not already, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I just said, this is hopefully going to be the last of it. I'm going to probably do a part 3 on my accessories though, but that one won't hopefully be as long, and it's gonna just be sweet and short with that video. But these two, because this is part 2, I'm going to make a playlist when this video is live. So if you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it down below, but also there will be a playlist on my channel, so go check it out, and yeah, bye.